Hello. Hi. In this video, I would like to discuss how we can utilize the offset function with Vlookup to make a range dynamic. So this is the little bit advanced of Vlookup function. So here I'm just sharing my Excel file. So this is my Excel file. Okay. So the data of this name and department and ID available here in data one. So how we are navigating the uh, different sheet? Press Control page up and page down. Now this is our data. You have total 50 data. Okay. So this 50 data, if you apply VLOOKUP function, then you will get data in all those 50 data. So here I'm taking equal to VLOOKUP function. In VLOOKUP function, you have to pass lookup value as a this. You have to freeze here column. Why it's freezing column? Because row is moving, column A is fixed in this reference. Okay, comma, table array. In table array, you have to take complete data reference. Okay, so you have to take data reference from name to total salary. Freezed it, comma, then you have to take column number 2, comma 0. Why I'm taking here column number 2? From B column name, you have to pick the department. From B column, C is a second column. That's why I'm taking here second. Bracket close. And here I have taken data range as a static value, a static reference. B1 to H50. If I add data in H50 till H51, H55, so that data will not be reflect in your result. Whatever data I will get, that data will not reflect. Enter. So see here, I'm getting department here. Okay. But if I'm taking here XYZ, XYZ is not available in your data. If I'm putting XYZ here, XYZ here, A100, and here I'm taking XYZ and operation and 40,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, sum of some, take reference of this, enter. So this is the data I have added, but this data is not reflecting in your result. So see here, still you are getting error. So how we can make it dynamic to cover all the data, whatever data I'm getting into data sets. So this is a new data. So, but in my VLOOKUP function, I have taken the data reference from B1 to H50, but my data XYZ is available in H51, B51 to H51. Okay. So on this, you have to apply offset function to take a dynamic range. So you need to apply here offset function. Okay. And you need to take data reference from data 1. So here I'm taking reference from data 1. So this is my data 1 and I have taken B1 as a base cell reference. 0 row movement, 0 column movement, comma, count A. Height you need to create through the count A. And you have to take complete B column reference, bracket close. And for offset, you have to take width. For width, you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to take width as a 7, bracket close. So this is the closing of count A function. This bracket is closed for, no, this bracket is closed for offset function. Now this is the column number 2. Why I'm taking here column number? Name department is a second column. That's why I'm taking here second column. Now enter. Now you will get correct data. So see here, I'm getting correct data here. Oh, sorry. Why I'm not, sorry, control Z here. Here I have applied the dynamic function. So I just dragging in upper side. Okay. Now drag in downside. You are getting correct data. Whenever I will put down here ABC. Okay. ABC is not available as of now, but I will add ABC in downside of data. So here I'm taking A200 ABC, and here I'm taking analytics and taking here 30,000, 2,900, 2,300, and here you need to apply some, take data reference, enter. Now you have to check as a lookup value, this is a ABC. Now this data is reflecting in your output. So analytics department for ADIP, for ABC. So see here, you are getting data for ABC as well. So offset function is used with any of the function wherever you have to make a dynamic range. Okay. So this is all about the VLOOKUP function and offset function, how we can utilize the offset function using of dynamic range.